Why does 80% of AI enthusiasts struggle with supervised learning? Let's make it simple. In today's lesson, we're diving into regression versus classification in supervised learning. Last time we covered the basics of supervised learning. Now let's break it down further. Supervised learning has two main types of algorithms: regression and classification. Regressions deal with continuous value. This is an example of a regression graph. See how it predicts price based on futures. On the other side, classification is all about categories. Think of predicting whether it will rain or not, or if the patient is sick. It's all about sorting data into classes. So when should we use regression? When you need to predict a numerical value, like a house price or stock value, and classification use it for yes or no question, like spam detection or medical diagnosis. Simple, right? In the next video, we're gonna dive into regression algorithms and how to evaluate them. So if you're keen to master machine learning, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.